Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to fully connect your big cartel store as well as sync your listings. That way we can take care of all your fulfillment for you. The first thing you want to do is go to stores, click on add new store, scroll down and click on connect to big cartel. That will open up your big cartel login. So all you have to do is log in and that will basically authorize your account to Dallas Printhouse. After that, go ahead and click on your dashboard and you're going to click on add payments. When you do that, it's going to take you to this screen right here. All you have to do after that, click on wallet, add credit or bank account, and that will add your payment information. After that, go back to your dashboard and then go to listings. You might have some listings sync. If you don't, go ahead and click on sync listings, and that should download all of the listings that you have in your big cartel. From there on, you can then start syncing your listings. I'll show you an example with this one right here. In this area, you're going to click on add blanks, and you're going to find the blank that you want to use with Dallas Printhouse. This customer right here wants to use the Shaka garment die. And this is all of the items that we currently offer for print on demand. So I'm going to scroll down and look for the Shaka garment die, which is this one right here. I'm going to upload file, browse, and I'm going to select that smiley design that he has for that listing. I'm going to scroll all the way up. You can also use these buttons right here. It's already 16 inches wide. Everything looks good. You can also change the color to make it easier. We'll do the white one. That looks good. Click on preview. You're able to see the mockups and then click on save. This customer is only going to be using the white item. So this should be pretty self-explanatory. Now that the blank is right there, all you have to do here at the top, this is like your global edits. So I'm going to select, click on Shaka garment die, and then I'm going to map the sizes. Large goes with large, medium with medium, small, XL, and 2X. This is basically going to tell Dallas Printhouse, hey, whenever you make this item, if it says large on my side, it's going to be the L on your side, and so on and so forth. Like I said, this customer is only using white. So for color, I'm going to select the drop down arrow and click on white. If you had multiple colors, you could always specify each color individually. And for the placement, it's going to be the front, and the image is going to be the smiley image. You see everything turned green, so that item's good to go. Before I sync it, I'm going to save this as a template, and I'm going to save it as Shaka garment die white. That way, if I ever have any other designs with that Shaka garment die, I can always just go back and reuse this template, and I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Usually, I like to click on save about 2 or 3 times just to make sure that everything's good. This one already synced, and it's syncing on the back end. I'm going to pretend that this item was also a Shaka garment die. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. That way I can show you what I mean with the templates. Head over to use template, Shaka garment die, and it's going to automatically add your blank and automatically fill up everything for you. This customer has the definers differently. That's why it only populated the XL. But if he was to reuse the same exact layout, everything will be filled for him, and the only thing he would have to edit is the file. But since this item is an item that the customer is going to be fulfilling by himself, I'm going to go back in here and click ignore. Any item that you as a customer are fulfilling by yourself, you have to make sure that you click ignore. If you do not click ignore, you run into the issue that if you get an item or an order, and for example, we're fulfilling one of the items and you're shipping one of the items, we will not see that item in our side unless you have it as ignore. Scroll down and save. Now it basically syncs that listing and lets Dallas Printhouse know, hey, anytime I get an order for this item, we have to ignore it and still push the order through because this one they're fulfilling and this one we're fulfilling. And that's it, guys. Pretty much it's super self-explanatory. Any orders that you get, you'll be able to see them on your orders page. You'll be able to see the status of everything. If you guys have any other questions, please let us know.